Yes, right. So we are going to fill this table column. Then theoretical how to fill, I will tell you how to do the calculation, how to fill this theoretical values table column later. So since it is a practical session, I will tell you how to fill this practical table column, right? So this is the circuit. These two circuits we are going to make in the E circuit, right? For that, what you supposed to do is, all of you open the browser, open on browser. All of you
Ma'am,
open
now,
on browser
now
now.
only, ma'am.
Yeah, no.
Now you can do the, I told you, right? Whatever the class you try to use the laptop. For my class, I am preferring you people are to use the laptop. This is theory plus what a problematic subject, right? Theory plus problem will be there. First two, especially first two units will be having theory and problem. So you are connecting with the laptop alone will be useful for you. Especially for this class, listen, you have to use laptop only, right? Right. The next, all of you go open on browser, eCircuit SRM. Go open on eCircuit SRM. Don't go with the eCircuit portal SRM cap. Don't go. This is not your virtual lab, right? SRM created on virtual lab, right? It is called as a SRM CAD, right? We are going to do the experiments with the SRM CAD only. So this is coming, this is not the website. You go to the SRM CAD. So this is the online software to do the circuit and to get the output. Go to the SRM CAD. How many of you completed up to this? Then go to
Ma'am,
the.
wait, I'm doing it.
Then go to the, so login details are not required in the eCircuit, right? That is, then you have no need to create any login at all. Just you have to click on the eCircuit website. Then you can do the experiment. Whatever you want, workspace will be coming. I will tell you
Voice
how
is
to do
not
the
clear, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
You are
have to
too
click
fast.
SRM care.
Hello,
SRM.
repeat again. Repeat again.
You in the portal you type eCircuit SRM. Then you go to the second tab, not the circuit. SRM care alone you go. That's all. Second step. Then this is virtual lab of SRM. Especially this virtual lab is only for SRM students alone. Right? Then go to the eTools. Go to the eTools. What are the eTools will be available here? eLab, eCircuit Lab, eCircuit, eVerify, eSkill. So these 5 labs are available under the SRM care, but we need eCircuit alone. Go to the eCircuit, click on eCircuit. All of you click on eCircuit.
Done, ma.
Yes. Then this is for Ramapuram campus. This is for Vadapalani campus. Right? You check any Katangalattur campus is there or not.
No, ma.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, can't find. Only 2.
No, ma'am, it's not there.
Okay, it's not
No,
there.
ma'am.
Anyway, we need you go to the any campus you can go. Go to the sample. Sample e-circuit. Go to the sample. Go to the click on it. All of you click on the sample. Click on sample. Then go. Then while you are click on, you will be getting this tab. Click on this. Then click on sample e-circuit. Are you getting the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma.
this is what they made one circuit. This is what sample circuit. So this circuit is made with resistor, inductor, capacitor, then DC voltage source, one switch. Now the circuit. is running.
Ma'am, repeat again. Ma'am, repeat again.
What? Repeat again. What do you want?
Ma'am, last 2-3 minutes. We can't hear you, ma'am.
Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
And your voice is very low, ma'am.
Ma'am, after clicking on e-circuit, what do we have to do?
SRM care.
See, listen once again. I
No.
repeat, all of you listen. Open tab. E-circuit
Ma'am,
SRM.
cannot see the screen.
E-circuit
Ma'am,
SRM.
cannot see the screen, ma'am.
Hello? Listen,
Ma'am, cannot see the screen.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
to the SRM care.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
SRM care, go to the e-tools. See, follow my steps, then only you can understand. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
confused.
cannot see the screen.
Huh?
Cannot see the
we
screen.
can see. Ma'am, it's visible. We can see.
Yes, ma'am. We can see your screen. No
We
problem.
can see.
Ma'am, I can also see your
I
screen.
share the screen. E-tools, you go. Don't use mobile phone. You can't see anything in the mobile. Use laptop. Particularly for this lab session, you have to use laptop only. Go to the e-circuit.
Ma'am,
Go to the e-circuit. Click on it. Click on it. Then go to the sample.
Okay, ma'am.
Sample e-circuit will come. How many of you reached this sample e-circuit?
ma'am.
Ma'am, I've got that on my screen.
Me.
Yes, ma'am. We can see. We can
See,
go.
this is simulation. Now, the
Yeah, ma'am.
circuit is running. So, this current is flowing like this. Then corresponding waveforms, it is coming at the bottom, right? After you are forming the circuit, you will be getting like this. I will tell you how to form the circuit and all, how to create the circuit and all. I will tell you step-by-step procedure. I will tell you, right? So, final, the circuit will be looking like this. For sample, they have taken resistor, capacitor, inductor, battery. They made the connection. Then it is running now. The current flow will be like the, this is what voltage. For particular time, the voltage, resistor, everything, it is showing down. So this only we are going to make for the first experiment. This is not first experiment. This is one sample circuit, right? Then next, then if you want to stop the simulation means you can stop. At right side, you can see the run stop button. If you don't want to run the circuit means you can stop. Run also again you have to click. It's running means this dots will be moving, right? That is the symbol for the, whether you can check whether the circuit is running or not. Are you getting the difference between the these two circuits? Running means the current flow will be indicated, right? Are you getting the difference? Here the circuit
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
running.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So running means it is called as a simulation, right? If you want to stop the simulation means you have to click on it. The run stop button, it is available in the right side, right? So now we will see what are the provisions are available in the e-circuit. We will see how to take the components, how to give the connection and all. We will see one by one. So if you see this a sample circuit means this is the workspace. If you want, this is what in the workspace, they made everything here. They got the output. If you want to do one more circuit means where you have to go, you have to go to the draw. You have to go to the, you have to go to the draw. If you want to get the, if you want to get new workspace means you have to go to the circuits, you have to go to the blank circuit. This is the workspace, right? Are you getting? Sample circuit, they have drawn the
Yes,
circuit.
ma'am.
You want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
draw
Yes,
the
ma'am.
circuit means where you have to go. You have to go to the circuits tab. Then bottom you can see the blank circuit. This is the empty workspace. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is the sample circuit I told you, no? This is the empty workspace. So the empty workspace, you can get it from here. Circuits, blank circuit. This is the free workspace. Whatever you want, you can draw here, right? This is the sample circuit, right? Then we will see what are the provisions are available in this e-circuit. First, file. You click on it. So what are the provisions are available? Import from local file, import from text. These options are available under the file. You can get these things from the file. If you want to export as link, means you can the right edit. If you want to cut the circuit, means you can cut by using this option. Then copy also, duplicate also you can do. Zoom, 100% zoom in. If you want to increase the size of the circuit, means zoom in, then zoom in. These are available under edit. Then draw. If you want to give the connection, means you have to click on the add wire. If you want to add resistor, means you have to click on your resistor. You can get it from this tab. Then passive components. What are the components? Capacitor, inductor, switch, power push switch, SBDT, potentiometer, transformer. These are all available under the passive components. Then input and sources, that is AC voltage source, AC voltage source, AC voltage source, AC voltage source, 4 terminal, 2 terminal, 2 terminal. What are the sources are needed? You can get it from here. Output and labels. Then LED, lamp, text box. These are all you can active components, active building blocks, logic gates, digital clips, analog and hybrid clips, drag, select everything you can get. Right? Then scope. Scope is used to see the waveform of the output. Then what are the tasks are available? Slack all, unslack all, combine all. So these are all available here, right? So according to your requirement, you have to choose any of the tasks. Then options, show current. Current you want to show. Then show voltage. Power you want to show means this. Show value, what value it is there at the particular area. Everything you can get. Then this is circuits. Listen, this is very, very important thing. All of you listen properly. Circuits, basics, blank circuit is what? New workspace. Basics, you want to study about the Ohm's law means you go, basic circuits are available. What are the basic circuits are available? Ohm's law, resistor, capacitor, inductor, LRC circuit, voltage divider, potentiometer. These basic circuits are available here. Then AC circuit. What are the basic sample AC circuits are available? You click on each and every button, you go through. Then only will get the filter. Then this one. Ohm's law. The Ohm's law basics. What are the things are available? Ohm's law you can see. They made the Ohm's law. All of you see. Ohm's law they made. They simulated everything they have shown here. Right? It is running. You can get the values. Right? Then next, if you want to see the basic circuit, Thevenin's theorem means it is given. They made the Thevenin's theorem for the circuit. They got the output. Now the circuit is running. You want to start means you can start. Right? Then what they made, these are all the basic circuits. You click on Ohm's law, resistor, then inductor, everything you click on and you read. Anyway, I will tell. In your free time, all of you go through all the tabs. Then this is Thevenin's theorem. Then Norton's theorem is also available. So you read what it is given in your syllabus alone. You read. For example, basics they have given the LRC circuit. It is not there in your syllabus. You don't need to read about it, LRC circuit, then voltage divider, it is there in your syllabus. You can practice. I will tell you how to practice and all. So I told you what are the tabs are available, what are the things are available under each and every tab. I told you, right? Now we are going to draw the circuit, right? We will see how to draw the circuit and all. We will see in detail. Right, what is the first step? You have to go to the circuits. You have to get on new workspace. So this is the new workspace, right? So for example, to explain the E circuit, how it is working, I'm going to take one simple circuit, right? One voltage source and two resistors, right? One voltage source and two resistor I am going to take. I am going to simulate the circuit. I am going to get the output. For example, only I am telling this is not your first experiment. First experiment, that is KVL, KCL. We will see it later, right? Now I am going to explain one simple circuit. I am going to take one simple circuit. I am going to explain how to place the components, how to view the connection, how to get the current voltage, how to get the waveform, everything. I am going to explain you. Then next we will see the first experiment, KVL, KCL. Right. So for this simple circuit, I am going to take one voltage source, two resistors. So already I told you where it will be available and all. So go to the draw, then sources we need, right? My circuit consists of, initially I'm going to take one simple circuit that is having one voltage source, two resistors. So one voltage source, where it is, all of you make a note. You have to go to the draw, input and the sources. So next you go to the add voltage source to terminals. Then you draw, then keep it here. Only one alone we need. So delete another one. What you have to do? Draw, input and the sources. I want to add voltage source, two terminals you take, keep the cursor here, then you draw the voltage source. How many of you completed up to this? All of you complete, keep the voltage source.
Completed. Yes, ma'am, completed.
What I told you, my simple circuit, I'm going to take one simple circuit. It includes one voltage source and two resistor. So voltage source over. Next resistor I want. So go to the draw, add resistor. Then you keep it here. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor. Two resistors I want. I kept two resistors here, right? Next, I have to make the connection. So again, go to the draw, add wire. With the help of wire only, we can do the connection. Where you are getting everything, you are getting from the draw. Voltage source is available in input and inputs and sources. Resistor is available here. That's all. Everything I am getting under the draw tab. Then wire I want, so add wire. Then make the connection. Then close the circuit. Right? How many of you completed up to this? I made the circuit.
Done, ma'am.
I, ma'am, I completed.
Completed.
I want to change
Completed.
the value of the battery.
Okay, ma'am.
You want to change the value of the battery means double P. So here they have given 5. So what value I want is 10 volts I want. 10, right? then DC. Apply, okay. Double click, whatever value you want, you can set it here, then apply, okay. Right? Double click the battery. Double click the battery. Double click the battery. Then I want 10 volts, so I kept 10. Then apply, okay. That's all. Right? Next, double click. I want 220 volt resistor. I want 220 volt resistor. So 220. The next resistor, apply, okay. Next resistor, I want 330. I have taken on simple circuit. I told you no. For that circuit, I need a 220 and 330. Okay. Apply, okay. Right? So I go to the draw. I got the input and the sources. Under that, I got the DC voltage source. Then I got the wire from this tab, and also I got the resistor under the draw tab. And I made a connection. Now the circuit is closed. Right? Then next, what you have to do is you have to run the circuit. Now current is flowing. Are you able to see? Current is flowing.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Right? If you want to stop it, click on stop. And after stop the circuit, I want to know the current flowing through this branch and this branch. What you have to do? You click on it. Click on it. If you want to see in the scope, means right click and viewing scope. Then you can see. Listen, how many of you completed up to this? Very, very simple. No,
Completed, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
I completed.
Very complicated procedure.
I completed, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I also completed.
Right. So, what are the things you're supposed to do? I told you how to run. Next step. This is very, very important step. What you're supposed to do is, I want to know current flowing through this branch. By the time, what you have to do is double click, show current, show voltage, apply, okay. So how much current is flowing? You can come to know that 18.2 milliampere voltage is 0. This node I want to see that.
Ma'am, can you repeat this?
Double click and show current and show voltage. Apply, okay. Double click. So here how much current is flowing? Why both are same? Anybody? Why these two currents are same? Anybody?
Ma'am, resistance
Resistance are in series, ma'am.
Yes.
Series.
This is connected in series. So both you you are checking current at any point means it will be equal to 18.2 milliampere. The reason is two resistors are connected in series. Okay, now I will check this node. I want to show the current. So apply OK. Here also this is coming. Are you getting? Current will be same in the series circuit, right? Then next. Listen. You keep the cursor on the resistor. All of you look at here. Same time you have to look at here. Scope means what you have to do. I told you how you are getting this waveform. You have to right click and view in scope. Then you will be getting like this, right? Here, right click, view in scope. Then you will be getting, right? So, and one important thing, you keep the cursor on the resistor means you can see the current. All of you look at the right side corner of your workspace. All of you see what is the current is flowing through the resistor. 18.18 milliampere. What is the resistor value? 220. What is the power? 72.73 milliwatts. What is the voltage available across the resistor? 4 volts. Are you getting? How many of you getting? You see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
go to the next resistor. Go to the next resistor and see the corner. Current same, since it is a series connection, voltage is 6. Here what you have seen? What is the voltage across this resistor? Anybody? What is the voltage across this resistor? Anybody?
10.
10.
10 volt.
4.
Very good. Who said 4? Very good.
4.
See, this is what all of you look at the right corner of your workspace. What is the VD? VD means what? VD is what? Voltage across the resistor. 4. What is the voltage here?
6.
6 plus 4? 6 plus 6 plus 4?
10.
What is the voltage
10.
of this one?
10.
10.
This is which law? KVL or KCL?
KVL.
KVL.
Who said KVL? She only got the point. So in a closed circuit, voltage drop across the components will be equal to 0. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can say it as in a closed
Yes,
circuit,
ma'am.
potential rise is equal to potential drop. This is potential drop, this is potential drop. 4 plus 6, this is potential rise, 10. How many of you getting this K, B, L? Are you getting my point? Sum
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
is 0. This is plus 10. This is drop. So minus 6, minus 4. This is plus 10, minus 6, minus 4. That is equal to what? Minus 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0 KVL. Are you getting? Near closed load. Voltage across the components is equal to voltage of the voltage source. Already I told you the statement. All of you see the statement of the KVL. What is KVL? In any closed path or mesh, the algebraic sum of all the voltages is 0. Algebraic sum of all the voltages is 0. This is the statement, right? So, see, this is what? Drop, so minus 6. This is minus 4. This is plus. So, equal to 0. Are you getting KVL?
Ma'am, my resistance symbol is like a box.
Okay, it's okay. It's sometimes in some, it will be coming box also, it is acceptable only. You can do with that box also, right only,
Okay.
right? So this is potential drop is 4, here 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. That's all. KVL satisfied. This is a simple circuit. This is not your circuit, right? This is not your circuit. But for understanding purpose, I have taken very small circuit I explained. So the circuit it is given in your lab manual. we will do and we will get the output. Any doubt? Power also you can get. So here power you see all of you. Power how much? Here power how much? Here VD 10 volts, I 18.18. Right? Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
For understanding purpose, I explained. But the manual, they have given one circuit. We are going to draw that circuit and we are going to get the output. And one more thing, all of you listen. All of you listen. One more thing, I will share in the WhatsApp group 2 videos for the e-circuit. Right? You can get more idea about the e-circuit. What I said, it is there in the video, right? What are the things I said till now? All will be available in the video also. I sent that 2 videos. You can check that 2 videos also. Now it's not clear. You are not following my steps. It is very tough to understand. Means you can go with the 2 videos. You will get the idea, right? You will get idea. Right now we will go to our circuit and we will do the simulation. Right, this is a sample.
Ma'am, can you please explain it once more? Like, how are we getting the graph?
Graph. You want to means resistor. Right click, Vwin scope. Then you will be bottom. Then you will be getting like this.
Thank you, ma'am.
This you want means click on Vwin scope. That's all. This will come. Listen, all of you look at here. This is 6 volts. Or first resistor, right? Listen, this is where, are you getting my point? So this is going to the blue color. Blue color means I am moving cursor. So these values, this right side corner values are related with the 220 ohm resistor. Now you see 330 blue. So this scope is related with the 330 ohm resistor. Are you getting the difference? 2 scopes report 2 separate values are coming. One for 220 ohm resistor. So now which one is blue color? Which one is blue color? 330. So this scope is for these values are related with the 330 ohm resistor. Now look at here, 220 is blue now. So this scope is related with the 220 ohm resistor. Are you getting? Are you able to see the?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
Right. So same thing at the same time while you are moving your cursor in the scope, right? Corresponding value displayed in this, displayed here. All of you look at here. Now all of you look at there, right side corner. Can you able to see the resistor, VD, high, everything? This values. The values at the right side is related with the 330 ohm resistor. Are you clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
This is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
important. So now, after you complete your circuit, you have to save. Export as local file. Now you save it as export as local file. Export as link means you can get the circuit as a link. While you click on the link, you will get the circuit. What way you want, you can use anything. Right? All of you save and you have to you have to say, take the snapshot and you have to send it to me in the GCR. I will tell the procedure later. Up to this, are you clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? All of you practice yourself.
No, ma'am.
Next we move on to our first experiment. All of you make a note of the circuit. For time being, all of you make it. All of you for the practical session, right? All of you keep one pen and paper with you always, right? Always for this subject, I told you that earlier. I told you this is problematic as far as the theoretical subject. So all of you take a separate note for this subject. All of you draw the circuit for time being without ammeter. All of you draw here without voltmeter. All of you draw the circuit. Draw these 2 circuits. Draw these two circuit means what? Resistor value alone you battery 330, 1K, 220, 100. This alone make a note. Draw means you no need to put the ammeter. This and all for practical labs. This is virtual lab, no ammeter and all, no need. I told you how to see the current and all. You have to double click and show current means you will see the current. Now make a note of the resistance value and then battery. Location of the battery. Draw the circuit, all of you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, can you please explain that scope thing? I'm
huh?
able to understand.
What?
Like view scopes. Can you please explain view scopes in the e-circuit once again?
I closed this. Okay. Scope.
Yes, ma'am.
View scope. Resistor. You keep the cursor here. Right click. View in scope. Then bottom you will see the waveform. Okay. Right click. View in scope. That's all. Next.
Ma'am, we have to make a practical copy for this also.
Yes. Practical copy you have to make. I will tell you. I will send the lab manual. You have to write the answer. You have to take the snapshot of your circuit. You have to keep it in the appropriate place. Then you have to send it to my GCR. I will tell you later. Now we will do the experiment alone. Next class I will tell you. Don't worry about the sending the file. I will explain you later. This is the circuit. Have you all drawn the circuit in your paper? Have you mentioned the values? Have you mentioned? Have you noted down the values? How many of you?
Ma'am, wait a minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many resistors are needed for KCL? Anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Keep the draw the circuit in the E circuit. All of you go and do the. You take the RPS value. Battery voltage is 10 volt. Draw the circuit as I told you earlier. Draw the circuit and simulate the circuit. Same procedure only. They have added the more resistor and one resistor position alone changed. You keep the resistor and give the connection. You take the battery voltage as 10 volt.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm unable to do that view scope thing in my system. I'm not
Why
able to.
I am doing no? You
Ma'am,
check with your friends. Any problem? Click on the resistor. Right click view in scope. That's all. Click on the resistor.
Ma'am,
View in
it's
scope.
showing edit component, but it's not showing that option.
See, others, can anyone answer for this question? Can anyone answer this question? My voice is clear now
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
or low?
Clear,
Why I
ma'am.
am asking is I am going to take my laptop to shop.
It is clear but low, ma'am.
Clear? Low. Okay. Sure, okay, ba. Next, how many of you completed your experiment number 1 in the new workspace? What you supposed to do? Go to the circuit, blank circuit. What are the things are needed? Draw input and output sources with the 2 terminals, right? Then click here, then keep it here. What are the things are needed? Draw input sources, add voltage source, then you keep it here. Right, voltage source. How many resistors are needed? Anybody?
Ma'am, what is the voltage we have to give?
10 volts. Same procedure you do. 4 resistors are needed. Draw, add resistor, 1 resistor, then next 1 resistor, next 1 resistor, here 1 resistor, right? Then connect the wire, draw,
Done.
add wire, then you run. If you completed
I'm
the
done.
experiment, you will answer. Run means run, then get the answer. See the result in the scope. Same procedure. What you done for your simple circuits, do the same. You take some time and draw the circuit neat. Straight line should, all the wires should be the straight line. It's getting late, so I am drawing like this, but you should not draw like that. All the wires should be the straight line.
I'm done.
Run the circuit.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Ma'am, register values.
Register values I have given. No, I told you, I showed the lab manual. I told you to make a note. Why you didn't make a note? Huh? All of you show the current, power, voltage, scope, everything. You do. Wait. Yes.
Ma'am, how much voltage should we give to the battery?
10 volts.
Thank you.
Apply. Okay. This resistor is how much? 330. 330. Apply. Okay. What about
Ma'am,
this resistor?
completed.
220.
I'm done.
220. Apply. Okay. This one is what? 1K. This one is 1K. So now I want to see the current and scope. We want to see the scope means give in scope, it will be coming. Here, give in scope, it will be coming. Right, next give in scope. For resistor, I want to see the voltage and current waveforms. Then I want to see the current flowing here. Then double click, show current, show voltage. Apply OK. Here, double click. That's up. Are you getting? I want to see the current over here. Double click. I want to see the current over here. Double click. show current, show voltage, apply, okay. Current, I want to see here, double click, show current, show voltage, apply, okay. I want to see here, show current, voltage, apply, voltage. Here I want to see, so double click, show current, show voltage, apply, okay.
Ma'am, after completing the first experiment, what should we do?
I will tell you. You have to take the snapshot and you have to send it to my GCR. See, listen, all of you. What is KCL? Anybody is telling answer means that person only got my point. We made everything. So entering, this is the node. So we have to check the KCL here. Entering current is equal to leaving current. All of you check how many is the entering current? 11.4 milliampere. What are the leaving currents? 5.1. Then here, what is the current? I want to see the current means. Double click.
6.3.
Right.
Ma'am, I'm unable to see that graph downwards. How to see that?
I will tell.
Press V in scope.
For this branch, how many of you got the current here? It's running properly, but this 11.1 is split into two currents. This current and this current. This current I have shown 5.1, right? Entering current is 11.1. So 11.4 minus 5.1 will be flowing here, right? Are you able to simulation? Are you able to see? How,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to show like this, right? So how I showed a double click, show current and voltage, apply, okay, it has come. But how many of you got here? Resistance.
Ma'am,
I
it's
have
a
got.
wire of register. You have to add another wire to get the current there.
Ma'am, I have got it.
6.25.
I'm
6.25 milliampere.
Ma'am, got
6.2. 6.2.
6.25.
See, listen, 11.4 minus 5.1 current will be flowing here. I want to show here how many of you shown here like this.
Ma'am, I have.
Ma'am, I have shown it.
I have shown 6.2.
6.2.
6.2.
6.25.
ma'am. Now you will be able to see.
I directly connected resistors, right? Now you run it, right? Double click, show current, show voltage, apply. Okay. How many of you got
Me.
KCL verified?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
2 plus
Got it.
5 is?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it.
Hey, listen. Anybody tell the answer? 6.2 plus 5.1. It is exactly how much?
11.4.
11.4.
Huh?
11.3.
11.4.
11.3.
11.3.
11.3.
What about it is 0.01 volts? Anybody? Exact value is 11.4, but you are getting 11.3. So what? Where it will be available? This 0.01 milliampere. Where it has gone?
In the form of heat.
This is the resistance, right? So that the 0.01, that is will be due to the losses. Due to the losses, this 0.01 difference is coming, right? Are you getting KCL verified or not? I'll have to see here. Entry current is
Yes, ma'am.
2 current. So 5.1, 6. While you're adding these two, it will be coming. KCL is verified. Likewise, I'll also verify for the KCL also. Make a note of this KVL circuit. KCL over. KVL circuit, I'll have to make a note means what? Voltmeter, no need. What are the values you're supposed to know down? 2 voltage sources, 3 resistors. That's all. 3 resistor values, make a note. 10, you set this as 10 and you set this 20. KCL. I'll have to make a note. Make a note is here, 20 is here.
Ma'am, repeat. Ma'am, repeat.
What is it?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
I can't hear you.
Others mute
I
yours.
can't hear you.
Your voice is not clear.
Make a note of the circuit. Make a note of the circuit. First voltage source value is 10 volts. Second voltage source value is 20 volts. That's all. You simulate your circuit. While you are coming for the next practical class, I will ask you. Make a note. 330, 220, 1 kilo ohm. This is 10, this is 20. That's all. Have you completed? Shall I start to take attendance? Okay. Answer your attendance.
Ma'am, in this, ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, how to save it?
Save, file. Whatever you want, you can save.
Ma'am, we have to take a screenshot and upload it in the Google Drive.
Yes, yes. You have to take the screenshot. For example, I show you have to look at your all of you. See, you have to take a screenshot and you have to see, look at your. This is for your circuit or for some other circuit. Screenshot you have to take and you have to keep it in the place and you have to write the answer for the questions and you have to send it to me. This is one student he submitted. This is not your subject. You have to do like this. You have to take this screenshot. I'll have to take a screenshot and save.
And paste it in the
ma'am.
ma'am in the and paste it in the copy. Screenshot.
Screenshot you have to send like this. I will tell you later how to send them. Now,
Windows plus print screen button.
take the screenshot alone. As of now, take screenshot. See, I'm going to take attendance. Any doubt means ask in the next class.
ma'am,
Hmm.